Đây, phải xin một Viking rồi. Anh cô.
Ôi bố ơi. Hi guys, so today we're going to be doing the Chubby Bunny Challenge. But the aim of the game is to try and fit as many marshmallows in your mouth and still be able to say Chubby Bunny. I'll go first. Chubby Bunny.
No.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
You can't eat it.
Yeah.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Look at my strategy. Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Ow. Chubby Bunny. And Isaiah. Sorry. Okay, thank you.
Chubby Bunny.
Hey, like your Oh yeah.
No, you.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Oh, turning my cheek. Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Look at this. It's like a
Marshmallow.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny. You're eating them.
No, sure. Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
What? Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
I think I'm winning. I'm winning. Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Oh my god! Seriously guys, look at Siaosi! Ugh. That's disgusting. Okay, so I just had to go and spit that out. I think I would say I won. Do you think?
We both split.
No, honey. I won.
No, we both.
Yes, I won. I won. I won. I won. I won.
Won this
I
one.
Won all of the challenges.
I'm so many.
Team Victoria.
Because my mouth is so small.
What? So you're calling me a big mouth?
No. I can't handle the more things inside. That's why every time I eat, small thing I eat. Small food.
What a liar!
But thank you everyone for liking and subscribing.
Turn on the notification bell if you haven't already, so you can get our notifications every time we upload a video.
Thank you so much. Hope you enjoy and like it. Don't keep your thumb down. Put it up.
Put it up.
Yeah.
Subscribe, please.
Subscribe. Boom. Bye everyone.